Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to stream YouTube on Discord to watch some videos, for example, with your friends maybe. So anyways, let's get started. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to user settings. Then you're going to scroll down till you see registered games. So if you have never played a game while you were in a call in Discord, all of this is probably going to be empty for you. But if you have, just like me, you're going to have a lot of things or a few things, I don't know, depends on how much you play, saved right here. So basically, if you have nothing saved and you want to add YouTube to watch YouTube, you go right here, add it, you click on it, and you select. Now, right now I have already added my browser that I use, and I use Opera. You can pretty much use anything. If it's not added, it will tell you right here. You can use Chrome, for example. I don't have it, so it's not showing for me as an option. You can use Firefox or Opera, just like me. But anyways, when you have done that, you can turn off or on overlay for it. But let me show you how this works. So you can join a call, and after you have joined a call, you press Stream Opera or Stream Chrome, depends on what browser you chose. Now, as you can see, you have some options right here, but pretty much every single one of them is Nitro. This one fixes the resolution, improves the resolution. Right now it's at 720 pixels, and this one chooses your frame rate for your stream. Basically, you can lower it to 15, but I don't see why you would do that. If your stream or internet or something is lagging, you can do that. But keep in mind that your friends that are watching your stream are going to have a really poor quality because you did that. But anyways, you click go live, and then as you can see, this little window pops up. Basically, this is streaming your Opera. Right now it says stream paused because I'm not in my browser, I'm in my Discord. But when you're in your browser, anybody watching this stream can see what you're doing and hear what you're watching or clicking or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. You just open your browser after starting a stream, and you go to YouTube, for example, and you click on a video, and your friend watching will be able to hear and watch what video you are watching right now. But anyways, guys, I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyways, guys, have a nice day.